The eastern woodland cultures. Many cultures flourished in the eastern woodlands which stretched from New England across to the Great Lakes and south, almost to the Gulf of Mexico. Vast forests supplied materials for homes, tools, fuel, and food. Thousands of lakes, rivers, and streams provided excellent fishing and transportation between villages. Some tribes were hunters and gatherers. Animals, especially deer, were an important food source. Other groups became farmers, growing corn, beans, squash, tobacco, and grains. At one time, wild rice grew in abundance along the western parts of the Great Lakes and into the Mississippi Valley. Harvesting wild rice provided food for the Ottawa, Ottawa, Potawatomi, Sauk, Fox, Menominee, and Winnebago. I probably said maybe one of those wrong. Sorry. Thanks for listening. In spring, tribes gathered maple syrup, boiled it, and made sugar. In spring, they grew corn, the crop that became their most important food source. In this area, the culture of the mound builders predominated for several hundred years. These people built huge eastern structures used for burials. They used copper and silver and decorated pottery with engravings. Native Americans in this area were among the first to come into contact with Europeans and suffer from the effects of the European settlements. Many tribes did not survive long. Those that did were forced to move to new lands and suffered from war, disease, and starvation.